Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 18. Today is a busy day today. Y'all know I have to film for both channels today, so I need to get up and get on it. I first need to fix myself some tea. It is really cold outside today. If you guys don't know, I love the cold weather. It doesn't get that cold here, but it's pretty cold today. It's like 33 degrees. I don't know how long that's gonna last. I know last year on Christmas, I think it was last year, people were at the beach. Like, we don't hardly ever get winter, so I'm excited about the weather today. So excited to break out the big sweaters. So yeah, I need to run to the store. I gotta go to Costco's, grab a few things that I need for my mukbang today. I'm gonna do deshelled king crab, which I am so excited about. And update on the watch. Yes, I have it on this morning. I put it on as soon as I wake up every single morning. I did order a band from Amazon because I was going on Etsy. I went on a few other sites, and most of the bands that I really liked were for Apple Watches. So I don't know, but let me show you guys the one that I ordered. It is just the stainless steel band. Let me see if I could click on it without showing y'all too much. So this is the band that I got, and I got it in the champagne color. And then you guys know that you can also order the screen protector. It'll have like the face of the watch, like around here. Y'all see how it's black? I ordered another one so it can match the band. So it's saying that it's delivered. The screen protector is delivered, the part that I put on here, and then the actual band won't be here until Tuesday. So here's the screen protectors. I forgot I ordered like a little set. So it comes with 4 in this one. So it's the black, silver, gold, and the clear one. And the band should be this exact color. So let's open it up and I'll show you guys how it looks on the watch. Y'all, and I still haven't opened my candle from Bath and Body Works because I'm thinking about taking it back and see if they'll let me exchange it for something else, because I already have mahogany teak wood candles, but during the annual sale I just like to rack up, and they were only letting you order like 1 of each candle anyway, but that's not the one that I really wanted, because like I said, I already have some of those candles. So I haven't even opened the box yet. I'm thinking about just going up there and asking them to exchange it for something else. So we'll see. So it comes with this black one, silver, this is the gold, champagne gold. Can y'all see it? It's a little bright. And then a clear one. So let's just pop this on just to see how it would look. Oh, it stretches out a little bit. Oh God. On. Let me take it off. No, I ain't taking it off because, well, I'm just sitting down so I can take it off and show y'all. So this is how the gold screen protector looks, and then it already looked better, right? And then my gold band will be here on Tuesday. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just keep it on here because it actually looks really cute. So I just got back in from the store, so I'm gonna do a really quick grocery store haul. Hot fries, toasted chips, scoops, Pringles, stone crab, king crab, baby spinach, Coca-Cola, cheddar cheese, shrimp, boiled peanuts, Smart Balance butter, cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce, salsa, ranch, cheese, ice cream, minced garlic, onion, tomatoes, potatoes, jam jar, rum, pre-workout, and that is it for the grocery store haul. So I'll be doing king crab today. I'm gonna do a deshelled king crab, and I'm gonna do something a little different and cook them in the oven. I've never done that before. They're already cooked. You just basically want to knock the chill off of them. So I'm gonna show you guys how I deshell the king crab. It's really simple. These are from Costco's. This one was $38.06, and these were a little bit bigger, so of course they're more. These were $45.88, and then they had stone crab in there. If y'all know, stone crab is pretty expensive. These were $38.23. So one pack is for me, one pack is for Tony. We'll probably eat these sometime this weekend. So yeah, let's get started on the king crab. Okay, so I put all the groceries up. So we have our king crab. Let me get this pan. Rinse her out. Here. So the only thing that you have to do is just grab some scissors, and you're gonna remove the meat from the shell. It's really easy. All right, so we got all the meat deshelled. What I like to do is put the prettier pieces on top, so the knuckle of the crab is at the bottom, like the pieces like this. The meat from the legs on top, it just looks better. what I'm doing this time is I'm going to actually cook them in the oven. So I'm going to make some of my Florida butter. I'll try to link a video on that in the description box, but I still will let you guys watch me prep everything up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some sauce on top and then pop it in the oven for a little while. And then I'll have my dip on the side. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the sauce. Here is all of the trash, so I'm getting ready to throw that out. But like I said, I get so many questions on the deshelled seafood boil. It's so easy. Just remove it from the shell. That's all you have to do. And then you're knocking the chill off of it. So you can either do it in the oven to warm it up, or you can steam it however you want. But this time we're going to do the oven, and this is my very first time doing it this way. But the reason why I'm doing it this way this time is because I want the sauce to kind of stick to the crab. So okay, so this is what I use for my Florida butter. I've had some people try to make it at home and they complain about how salty it is. Don't try to use this whole bag. Like, don't do that. Like, this will take, if you try to use all of this to make a seafood butter, it will taste like a bowl of salt. Like, don't do that. Make sure to taste your sauce as you go. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do it. With the water, it does take a while for the sauce to thicken up, but that's just the way that I like to do mine, so that way I don't have to use a lot of butter. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch me prepare this. So now we wait. Okay, so I put the sauce on a medium just to try to, you know, speed it up a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this sauce to the crab legs and pop it in the oven. And then this should be done. I'm just gonna turn it back on low because I don't want to burn it. But it's so good. So here is the crab. I'm gonna try to get you guys in there good. Really good angle. And then we're just gonna pour some on here. This. And now we're gonna pop this in the oven. All right, y'all, and here is the crab.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IamSharikaB, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
Having a good time.